I got my hair transplant done at Hair Istanbul, and it was a very pleasant experience. From the time I walked in and after we discussed my hairline, I was satisfied with it. And the doctor came in and introduced himself, and we moved along with the process. It was pretty painless. I mean, the most pain is just when they numb you up, but that's gonna happen anywhere you get a hair transplant. But after that, I didn't feel anything. I went to sleep through most of the process until I had to turn over and for them to take additional grafts and then turn over again for them to transplant the grafts in the front of my head. I definitely want to give this place 2 thumbs up because I'm very satisfied with the result, and I would recommend this to anybody. If you're thinking about getting a hair transplant, Hair Istanbul is where you should definitely go. They're reasonable with pricing, everybody's very nice, and they feed you during the process, and you'll be very satisfied. They wash your hair 2 days later, nice hotel, free breakfast, and I'm looking forward to the end result.